Hey everybody, my name is Agnevesh from Coding Boys, and today I'm going to be doing part 2 for Flask with Python. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about basic, templates and template inheritance. So, if you can recall, last time we left off with this from Flask, import Flask, just this basic kind of script. And last video, I actually said I had a virtual environment, but VS Code, there's this new feature, I think it's new at least, where if you hit Control tilde, um, you can automatically set up a virtual environment, and it's really easy. So first, what you want to do, you actually want to pull up your command prompt, CMD, on a Windows. I'm not sure what it is for like Linux or any system. Just pull up the terminal command prompt, and you want to do a pip install virtual env, and that's I already have it, but it's going to tell you all the stuff. If you haven't already installed it, then you want to hit X. And now once you're in this directory, I just hit Control tilde to open this command prompt, and you want to do virtual env, and then you want to type in the name of your virtual environment. So I'm just going to use the convention venv, and that should run now. Just give it a second. And yeah, that's it. And now it automatically detects that there's a virtual environment, so you want to hit yes. And now, as you can see right here, you are working in the virtual environment. So I'm just going to CLS. And this is a new virtual environment, so obviously we're going to have to reinstall Flask. So just do pip install Flask. And should run. And there we go. And so now we are completely ready to start doing Flask development. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about templates. And basically, templates are a way for you to organize your front end neatly. And as you can see here, I have an H1 tag. But you could code all of this HTML within these two like quotation marks, but that would get really messy really quickly because you don't want to have to do that for all of your routes within your web page. So what you want to do to help stop this, just create your own separate folder and make it all clean. You want to go here to the kind of area, the folders here. You want to click new folder, and you have to type in this name. It's called templates, and it has to be spelled templates. This is how Flask recognizes that you want to do a render template. But also, to do a render template so that we can access these files, we're going to have to type in Flask and comma. We are going to also have to import the render template function. So render template. I just tab there to autocomplete it. But now we have that. So in our templates folder, we're going to create a new HTML file. We're just going to call it index.html for our homepage. And now we're just going to write some basic boilerplate HTML. To do that, we're just going to hit the exclamation point and hit tab. And what that will do is it's going to create some basic HTML for our website, and we can put a title here, body, all that good stuff. But here we just want, instead of returning a string, we're just going to render template, and then the name of the actual file. So that's going to be index.html. And anyway, sorry. Basically, once you have this, we're just going to write that same text that I had before, that h1 string. We're just going to write hello world. And now we are ready to run this again. So I'm just going to hit this run. No module named Flask. Huh. Oh, we did a pip install Flask. Did we not? Oh, that's weird. Alright, whatever. So now that I've... whoops. So now I guess we can run the file. And it gives us all the other stuff that we had before. App is running. We just want to hit control and then click. And it's going to pull up the same thing as we had before. Hello world. And just to show you that this works with all the roots, whatever, I'm just going to make a new root. And as always, we define roots with @app.route, and then we're just going to put dash about. This is going to be our about page. So, and we're just going to define about, and we're just going to return a render template, and I'm just going to create a new file in the templates folder real quick, but we're just going to name it about.html. Save that, and go to our templates folder, click new file, and we're just going to name it about.html. And we're just going to copy this over, Control A, Control C, and Control V. And we're just going to say about. And yeah, I guess we can just rerun this on the server. So just hit Control C, and it's going to do it again. Control click. And yeah, we're on our home page. This is what this dash signifies. So now if we type here about, it's going to take us to our about page. And once again, it does work. It does say about. And yeah, that's basically all you need to get started with template inheritance. I know this was a relatively shorter video, but if you guys liked the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. And yeah, part 3 coming out soon. See you guys.